Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Oral Tasher and I'm a remote UX engineer based in Orlando, Florida. Today, I've got something special in the spotlight and it's the latest addition to my setup. This is one of Samsung's latest flagship monitors, the Viewfinity S9 display. And today I'm going to be talking about my experience with the Viewfinity S9 and do a deep dive into what I really love, as well as some of the quirks that I came across. Before we dive into this tech showdown, just a quick heads up, Samsung did send out this monitor for a review, but everything I cover in the video is based on my own experience and thoughts. Let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about the unboxing experience. Inside the box, the Viewfinity S9 comes with a height and a tilt adjustable base and some cable accessories, the magnetic 4K webcam, and of course, the beautiful 27-inch matte 5K display. The setup process is pretty straightforward and pretty much the same as the previous OLED G9 I reviewed earlier. The base allows you to adjust the height and tilt as well as completely rotate 90 degrees if you'd like to, and it has a clean and minimal look to it. If I were to nitpick one thing though, the power cable kept disconnecting every time I tried to adjust the monitor, so I'd love to see some improved ergonomics there in the future. When it comes to connectivity, you've got a solid array of options at the back. There's one Thunderbolt 4 port with 90 watts of power delivery, 3 USB-C, and a single mini display port to connect to. This way you can hook up your laptop and use the rest of the USB ports as a hub on the monitor. However, I'd much rather have a full port like a display port or an HDMI 2.1 instead of the mini display port from a premium panel like this. And let's talk cameras. The Viewfinity S9 comes with a 4K camera in the box, and I really like the webcam is detachable, so you don't necessarily have to have it depending on your setup. I'm using the Viewfinity S9 stacked on top of my OLED G9, and to get a cleaner look, I've actually removed the webcam and rotated 180 degrees instead. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the specs. For $1,599, the Viewfinity S9 brings a lot to the table that's in sync with what Apple Studio Display offers. We're talking about 218 pixels per inch, 99% DCI-P3 color support, a crisp 5K display with a silky smooth 60 Hz refresh rate, and a dazzling peak brightness of 600 nits. In the picture quality department, you're definitely getting some pro-level features in your toolkit. Now let's talk about one of its standout features, the matte display. This matte coating works wonders in diffusing light evenly, practically banishing those pesky reflections. So if you're in the environment with inconsistent lighting conditions, this alone makes a Samsung monitor perfect for what you're looking for. If you're familiar with my content, you know that I usually have my setup in areas with plenty of sunlight. So this feature was definitely a clutch for what I was looking for. And of course, along with the rest of the recent Samsung displays, the Viewfinity S9 also doubles up as a smart TV with its integrated hub and allows you to run DeX Mode wirelessly on your other Galaxy devices. And this is something that I've been definitely taking advantage of with my Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra or even with my Book 3 Ultra as well. So there it is. It's got some serious firepower under the hood with its matte display, an excellent variety of connectivity options, and not to forget the smart TV functionality. Sure, it got some kinks to iron out, but honestly, the upsides far outweigh those minor hiccups. And that's gonna be it for this review. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, leave a comment on what you think about the Viewfinity S9, and don't forget to subscribe as the next video project is going to be a fun one. Until the next one, peace.